Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Naturally, the Mercedes-Benz GLS Class 2025 will have a gorgeous and sophisticated external design as a top luxury SUV. Even if the precise design is unknown, we may make educated guesses based on Mercedes-Benz recent design trends and the GLS's predecessor. The Mercedes-Benz star in the middle will probably remain in place, but the front grille will probably be rebuilt with a bolder, more contemporary appearance. More advanced LED or digital light technology will probably be used in the thinner design of the front and back lights. In order to increase performance and fuel economy, the body profile will probably be made more aerodynamic. The rims will probably have a new, sportier, and more sophisticated design. The dashboard will probably be overhauled to be more sleek and contemporary while preserving its opulent and sophisticated appeal. High-end materials like metal, leather, and wood will probably still be utilized to create an opulent and sophisticated look. Larger touch panels with more sophisticated technologies, such OLED or micro-OLED, are probably on the cards. The display on the digital instrument panel will probably be more adjustable and informative. More sophisticated technology will probably be included with more sophisticated comfort features including massaging chairs, cabin fresheners, and back entertainment systems. Naturally, the Mercedes-Benz GLS Class 2025 will have a powerful engine. We may make educated guesses about the precise engine characteristics based on Mercedes-Benz current engine trends and the GLS's previous generation, even if there is no official information available. The primary option for the 2025 GLS Class will probably still be the V8 gasoline engine. This engine combines a lot of power with good smoothness. Particularly for the European market, diesel engines will probably continue to be available. Excellent torque and fuel economy are features of contemporary diesel engines. For lesser models, a V6 gasoline engine with turbocharger or supercharger technology is probably also available. Better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance is what this engine provides. The GLS Class 2025 is probably going to employ hybrid technology more and more. Plug-in hybrid or mild hybrid systems can lower exhaust pollutants and improve fuel economy.